I recently built a new workbench in my home office, and I needed some drawers to keep small parts organized. I could have bought something, but what fun would that be? Instead, I jumped into SolidWorks to design it from scratch. When it came time to duplicate the drawers, I used the move and copy body command, then resized them with the move face command. That was way faster than modeling each drawer individually. I also wanted the drawers to snap into place when they closed, so I started experimenting with magnets. My first attempt was a steel T-nut paired with a magnet. It worked, but the pull was too weak. Next, I tried embedding a square magnet directly in the frame, but as the 3D printer's head passed over it, the magnet was pulled right out of its slot and caused the print to fail. So, attempt number 3, I added a little extra space above the magnet and designed inserts to lock it in place with superglue. Unfortunately, I made the mistake of using steel pliers to press them in, which pulled the magnet right back out. Another fail. Finally, I repurposed the idea and pressed the inserts in by hand. It worked, though I glued my fingers together more than once. Once the inserts were in, I used our threaded insert installer tool, something we developed at Pipeline and now sell, to install heat set inserts perfectly straight and at the exact depth every time. That allowed me to screw the magnets securely in place in the drawers. During testing, I noticed the drawers created a bit of a vacuum effect, making them hard to open and close. Adding vent holes in the back solved that problem. I also added a stop feature so the drawers wouldn't accidentally pull all the way out. With the design finalized, I 3D printed the entire housing in one piece on a Bamboo Lab H2D. The large print bed worked perfectly. Here's the final assembly. The square magnet pulls the drawer closed with a satisfying snap, exactly what I was hoping for. Along the way, I went through multiple prototypes and hardware variations, but I'm super happy with how this turned out. My favorite detail is still that crisp magnetic close.